everybody. Hey, another 7.3 Godzilla. These are badass motors. This is a 675 edition, made about 680, 690. Made some fantastic torque numbers. It's got the Innov8 Innov8 fuel injection system on here. It's got the Holley timing cover and oil pan with the fuel pump on this. This is fantastic. This one, you could change the spring in this if you wanted to get more oil pressure. Really kick-ass type of setup. We got a fantastic camshaft. We don't give them out. We're running our 7.3 Godzilla valve covers on here, whichever one painted blue. And this is going into an AC Cobra Replica. Man, I don't want to be in that car because I'll tell you what, I always think those cars don't need any more than 400 horse. But this is incredible. Again, each and every engine built in the house, one at a time. You're looking for something? Give us a call. We love a challenge. Peace. Okay, Lloyd, I got your 7.3 Godzilla with the stack injection on here. AC Cobra Replica it's going into. Badass motor, my friend, for a late car. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.